Hey besties! Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since my last sit-on video. Just playing with the makeup. You guys, I missed doing this kind of video. So today, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial where you can achieve that hot girl summer in this pandemic. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Let's start off this look by applying sunscreen. I'm using the 𝘞𝘰𝘳𝘬 Mermaid Skin Gel UV in the clear variant. What I love about this sunscreen is that it's very lightweight because it has that water texture. Aside from that, it has that perfect silky finish, and it does not leave any white cast at all. It does not leave any sticker residue. That's why it's perfect to use it here in the Philippines because we have hot weather, but I do not recommend this one for oily skin. Next, I'm going to conceal my most problematic area of my skin, which is the under eye circles. Aside from that, I'm going to highlight my nose, and I'm using the Dasam Cover Perfection Tip Concealer in number 02, and this is the most reviewed and recommended mostly by the Filipino beauty gurus. I'm just going to blend it really well using a damp beauty blender. To be honest, this concealer did a great job on covering my under eye circles. This concealer has a creamy consistency, that's why it's very easy to blend. When applying concealer, it's a must to set it with a powder so that the concealer won't be cakey. Moving on to my eyelids, I'm using the Pep Balm in the shade The Brink. Actually, the packaging of this one reminds me of those acrylic paints. This has a balmy texture and it leaves sticky finish, so make sure to set it with the powder. Next, I'm going to pop on another color using the Romand Milk Tea Velvet Tint in Caramel Tea so that our eye makeup won't look boring or flat. Besties, you all should try use the Romand Milk Tea Velvet Tint in Caramel Tea as your eyeshadow because it's so nice, I swear. Adding a little bit of spice using the Peach Sea Champagne Eye Glitter in Valentine Pink, and you all know that this is one of my makeup favorites as I've mentioned this on my previous video. Adding an eye glitter would elevate our eye makeup look. Then after I apply my eye glitter, I'm just going to fix that so that the glitters will be in their right place so it won't look patchy. To hold the curl of my eyelashes naturally, I'm just going to use the Etude House Dr. Mascara Fixer in Perfect Lash. This is such a great product because it works well with my Asian straight lashes because you all know I have very stubborn lashes. I'm so impressed that this holds the curl of my eyelashes naturally and it coats my eyelashes separately. Now for my mascara, I'm using the Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara in the shade Brown. I definitely love this one because it's natural looking, it holds the curl, and it adds volume and length. Aside from that, it's very long lasting and it is indeed hard to remove. For my blush, I'm just going to use the Pep Balm in the shade The Brink. Again, it has balmy texture, so expect that it has sticky finish. And I really can't say that this product is lightweight because it leaves sticky residue and I can feel that I have putted something on my face. Let's go for that sun-kissed makeup look, and to achieve that, I'm going to use the Too Cool for School Art Glass by Rodin Shading. I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks and also on my forehead. I decided to put some fox freckles on my cheeks using the Canme Quick Easy Eyeliner in Red Brown. To keep our makeup fresh all day, I'm going to set my other parts of my face that are most likely to get oily. And always use a powder that has good oil control. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose using the Semo Luminous Multi-Highlighter. Moving on to the exciting part, which is the lips. I'm using the Romand Milk Tea Velvet Tint in Caramel Tea. I swear by this lippy, this is so good. I love this shade so much. It has that peachy brown kind of shade. It has a flexible applicator which is really nice because I can reach the corners of my lips without being messy. And the formula of this lippy is so dreamy. All the products that I use will be listed down in the description box below. And besties, since I love you all so much, I have a code that you can enjoy when you purchase at YesStyle, which is Chanel61. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy.